Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you've got one skein or ball of yarn and you need to divide it for maybe two sleeves, two socks, and you want to maximize your yarn usage and trying to figure out how to do that? Well, the most effective way of doing that is with a digital scales, either a full-size kitchen scale like this, once you comes down to zero 0.1 grams ideally, or a small portable travel scale. So when I'm using a kitchen scale, what I will usually put is like some kind of a tray or something to even out the actual weight. And this one effectively does the same thing, because this part you'll do the same. You'll open it up like this so that when you put your yarn in it, it's a little bit more evenly distributed and you'll get an accurate measurement. So I always start by measuring my yarn, checking to see how many grams it is, writing it down. And then as you're going through and you think you're kind of approaching halfway through, just check the weight and keep going until you know that you've reached half of it. I do this for projects as well, where I'm knitting from the center out and I want to maximize the yarn usage. And I may perhaps don't want to break it into two skeins, because you can also do it where you could weigh it like this, get a ball winder and actually wind it off until you've hit half of it. That works really well too. It doesn't matter if you've got the portable scale, it means that you can have it with you, so you don't have to worry about dividing it beforehand. But with the larger one, you might perhaps want to divide the yarn before you get started. But it's a very, very useful tool and something you wouldn't think about before you start knitting.